My name's Katie Bishop, and I am the ESG Program Manager at PECO Pallet. PECO is a North American leader in pulled pallet solutions. Our signature 9-block red pallets are made from sustainably sourced lumber. We set a goal to complete a formal verified greenhouse gas inventory and to establish a baseline before setting targets. And we also wanted to conduct a life cycle analysis of our pallets to really better understand our environmental impact. While the work itself was important, what we were really hoping to gain from our partnership with Tunley was their expertise and credibility. So having a respected third party validate our approach really gave us the confidence internally and built trust with our external stakeholders.
So my name is Emily Alexander. I'm a senior associate scientist at Tunley Environmental. We started out by putting together a baseline greenhouse gas inventory for PECO. We also worked on a life cycle assessment of the PECO reusable block pallet to better understand their product and the business model's environmental impact and the benefits that this pallet repair and reuse model allow. For the greenhouse gas inventory, we used the ISO standard 14067, and for the life cycle assessment, we adhered to the ISO 14040 and 14044. So for the PECO baseline greenhouse gas inventory, we were able to correctly identify all of the categories that fall into scopes 1, 2, and 3. From this assessment, we were able to see that the majority of emissions falls into the scope 3. This makes sense as PECO is largely a logistics-based company. Out of this, PECO is able to develop internal greenhouse gas reduction targets alongside waste diversion targets based on the results that were calculated for this 2023 baseline. So for the life cycle assessment, we were able to take PECO's reusable block pallet and compare it to an industry average stringer pallet. The findings for this comparative assessment were that the PECO block pallet had an estimated 8 times lower carbon emissions when you compared it to this industry average. We specifically looked at the scenario of taking 100,000 pounds of product and moving it on these 2 pallets in order to get these results.
It was their guidance that was invaluable across the entire process, from data collection to measurement to reporting and final verification. And working with Tunley also allowed us to complete the first greenhouse gas inventory, but also establish an internal process to replicate this annually ourselves. Beyond their core services, the team has consistently gone above and beyond, supporting us with updates to our sustainability report, addressing EcoVadis questions, responding to customer requests. Yes, absolutely. The team at Tunley truly took the time to understand our business, our priorities, and the unique challenges that we face. And what I really loved was that they recognized that sustainability is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it was their personalized support that made all the difference in ensuring our initiatives were both practical and impactful.